pattern is worked to a chevron point rather than horizontally in a traditional 1-2 style. So I'm going to begin from an adjusted straight edge, but alternatively you could work from a tapered teardrop start or by going straight into your chevrons and tapering at the end. So the colour order I've used from left to right is red, black, orange, black, yellow, black, black, purple, black, blue, black, green. But you could do whichever colour combination you prefer. This is a 1-row repeat pattern using forward knots on the left and backward knots on the right. So it's exactly the same way that you would knot a traditional chevron bracelet. It's just that you have a different colour combination to create an asymmetrical pattern going down. So to begin, I'm going to do forward knots for this section. And for the right hand side I'm going to do backward knots until I get to the centre. And once you get to the centre, you can knot these 2 threads in whichever direction you like. But if you knot with forward knots, this is the colour that will show up. And if you knot with backward knots, this is the colour that will show up. You can do whichever one you want. I'm just going to do forward knots every time that they meet in the middle. And once you've done that first row, you want to keep repeating the knotting sequence from that row all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be.
I've been stuck now, it feels like for ages. It's hard living these days. All the choices from the global solutions driving away.
And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with a braided tie on at each end, but you could use whichever fastening you prefer.